Ever found yourself scrolling through endless credit card offers, each promising the moon and stars, and stumbled upon the name Rogers Bank? It's like a whisper in the financial world, a name that pops up occasionally, leaving you wondering, wait, what is Rogers Bank exactly? You're not alone. In a landscape dominated by the Big Five, a name like Rogers Bank can seem like a bit of an enigma. Think about it. We're bombarded with ads from household names, those behemoths with their sprawling branch networks and decades of history. But then, there's Rogers Bank, seemingly operating a little bit under the radar. It's not your typical brick-and-mortar institution. It's something a little different, something more tailored. And that's where the intrigue begins. We often associate Rogers with telecommunications, right? Phones, internet, cable. So, what's the connection? How does a telecom giant suddenly find itself in the banking sector? It's a question that naturally sparks curiosity. Is it a side hustle? A strategic diversification? Or something else entirely? To understand Rogers Bank, we need to peel back the layers and look at the changing face of financial services. The digital revolution has reshaped how we manage our money. Fintech is booming, and companies are finding innovative ways to offer financial products without the traditional overhead of physical branches. In this context, Rogers Bank starts to make a lot more sense. So, what bank is Rogers Bank? Rogers Bank is a federally regulated Schedule I bank in Canada, and it's a wholly owned subsidiary of Rogers Communications Incorporated. Yes, the same Rogers we know for our phones and internet. But here's the key, Rogers Bank primarily focuses on credit card services. It's not a full-service bank with checking accounts and mortgages. Its core business revolves around issuing and managing credit cards, specifically the Rogers MasterCard. This connection to Rogers Communications gives them a unique position. They leverage their existing customer base and technological infrastructure to offer credit card products that integrate with their services. Think rewards programs tied to Rogers services or special offers for Rogers customers. This integration allows them to offer targeted benefits and potentially streamline the customer experience for those already within the Rogers ecosystem. Essentially, Rogers Bank is a specialized financial institution, focusing its efforts on credit cards. It's not trying to compete head-to-head with the big banks in every aspect. Instead, it's found a niche, leveraging its parent company's resources and customer base to offer a tailored financial product. Therefore, when you encounter Rogers Bank, remember it's not a traditional bank in the sense of a branch-based institution. It's a financial entity dedicated to credit card services, operating within the larger framework of Rogers Communications. It's a testament to how companies are finding new ways to diversify and offer financial solutions in an increasingly digital world. This explains why the name appears, but not as a full-service bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.